Give your aquatic plants the nutrition they need to thrive and turn your pond into a lush, vibrant oasis with Aquascape once-a-year pond plant fertilizer capsules. Fertilizing your water lilies, lotuses, and other pond plants has never been this easy. Our specially designed capsules allow you to fertilize without needing to repot or remove the plant from the pond. Other pond fertilizers break apart in pond water and only feed plants for a couple of weeks at a time. This means you need to reapply fertilizer regularly throughout the season. Our special blend of slow-release fertilizer nourishes plants for up to 180 days, or one growing season. Fertilize once at the beginning of the season, and that's it. Aquascape once-a-year pond plant fertilizer capsules contain our custom-blended 11-3-14 NPK formula, designed specifically to optimize the growth of aquatic plants. Each capsule has the proper balance of nutrients, no excess nitrogen, and reduced phosphorus to help keep algae at bay. The high potassium content encourages stunning blooms, maximizing flower production all season long. Aquascape once-a-year pond plant fertilizer capsules are available in convenient 6 or 12 packs. It is important to note that capsules are perfect for your existing pond plants without needing to remove or repot the plant. Simply press the capsule into the soil. Use the granular version of our fertilizer when potting new plants or when it's time to repot existing plants. Make pond plant care simple and effective. Get your Aquascape once-a-year pond plant fertilizer capsules today and watch your plants flourish. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended. We've been creating and field testing water features since 1991 to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.